Today in this video we're gonna be building my first ever gaming PC, so please tune in. I hope we have fun building this PC together. Let me just open up some boxes. The first thing that we have here is AMD Ryzen 5600. I got the stock cooler, that is the AMD version of the stock cooler. Here's my 32GB RAM, DDR4 RAM from Gaming Turbine. SSD, I only got 512GB of SSD, but should be enough. SP Silicon Power AMD Radeon RX 6600. For the motherboard, I went with B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi because it included all of the Wi-Fi's and stuff, so it's a pretty good budget motherboard. Power supply, I went with MAG A650BE. It is also from MSI, and I think it is 650 watts.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer.
I finally made this. What was wrong is the small front power cable was I misplaced it. Now let's see if this turns on or not for the first time. Let's go. I'm gonna place this Luffy inside here. Ooh, that looks sick. And now let me boot this up and I'll show you the final setup. Thank you everyone for watching the video till here. I hope you liked the video. Please drop a like and please share the video as much as you can, and a sub would be really helpful, so please subscribe. Thank you.